So what damages can you seek after an auto accident in Chicago? So the first thing we look at is past and future medical treatment. The past treatment is any treatment that you received right after the accident up until when we decide to settle the case. So that includes everything from the hospital, the ambulance, if you got anything from a pharmacy, PT, pain doctors, orthopedics, anything that you went to seek medical treatment for this accident will be compensated under that. You can also get future medical treatments compensated for. So what that means is if any of the doctors think that you're going to need treatment in the future, if you might need a surgery or anything like that going forward after we settle the case, the at-fault party must compensate you for that. So that's why we make sure we get documentation from the doctors to establish that you will need future care and how much that future care will cost, so that we make sure the at-fault insurance company is on the hook and liable and does pay that amount. Second thing that you can ask for in damages is lost wages and income. So did you have to take time off because of this injury? Did you have to take time off work to get treatment? Whatever the case might be, the at-fault party must compensate you for all the time that you took off of work due to the injuries from this auto accident. Lastly, you can get compensated for pain and suffering. So pain and suffering can mean a lot of different things. And this is where, as we say, we like to tell our client's story. What did the client go through? Injuries from an auto accident can have major dire effects on people's day-to-day lives. It makes every little simple task that you used to do that much more difficult. And for that, you need to be compensated. So this is where we tell the client's story. We tell the at-fault insurance all the things that our client went through because of the injury sustained because of this accident. So this is the part where we have to show all the other things in your day-to-day life that were affected by this. This now falls under pain and suffering. So we take all these categories, we put them together, and that's what we consider damages in an auto accident case in Chicago.